Hey Facebook, Emily Davis here with the Wind Crew Real Estate Team. I'm hanging out at 3307 Savannah and I'm really excited to show you guys around. We're located here in the Grider Pond neighborhood, just minutes from Cave Mill Road, Scottsville Road, and the interstate. We're sitting here on a little over a half-acre lot, and this house offers 4 beds and 2.5 baths. It's about 3,400 square feet total, and that includes a finished bonus room above the detached 2-car garage. Let's go on in and check it out.